Welcome to Line Table Screen Printing by Jury Philippines. I'm Jin from Jury. Today I'd like to share the plan for our DIY screen mesh stretcher. This stretcher is designed for our 21-inch by 25-inch screen frames, so please adjust dimensions according to your own screen sizes. Since metal is the material, welding as well as cutting and drilling is required. This is about half-day project consisting of 6 steps. Let's look at the materials to build this stretcher. 1-inch by 4-inch steel tube about 7 feet long. 2-inch by 2-inch angle bars about 15 feet long. 4 pieces of bolts and nuts. Steel flats of 1 inch wide and 1/8 inch thick, about 8 feet long. Rubber flats of 1/2 inch wide and 1/8 inch thick, about 15 feet long. Turnbuckles, 12 pieces. C-clamps, 16 pieces. Okay, now let's get to the first step. We have total 6 easy steps. Step 1 is to make the base of the stretcher. Cut 3 tubes and weld them together. The dimensions of each part are shown after the last step. Step 2 is to cut 4 angle bars and drill 3 holes on each angle bar, and then weld them to 4 ends of the base. Step 3 is to cut 4 small angle bars and weld them to the base. These will keep the screen frame in place during tensioning. And then make holes and threads on the angle bar for bolts. These bolts are used to control the height of the screen frame. Step 4 is to cut 4 angle bars and drill 3 holes each. And make 4 pieces of guides and weld them to the angle bars. Step 5 is to cut 4 steel flats and 8 rubber flats. Glue rubber flats to the steel flats and to the angle bars. We do this to secure mesh fabric during tensioning. If you know better solution, please let us know. The last step is to just install the turnbuckles through the holes on angle bars. Now that the stretcher is finished, let's see how we can use it. First, place the screen frame. Use the bolts to adjust the height of the frame and make it stable. Next, place the mesh fabric over the frame. Now place the steel flats and clamp them. Turn the turnbuckles to increase tension. Lastly, when high tension is achieved, glue the mesh fabric to the frame. Let me show you the dimensions of each part of this stretcher. These materials, measurements, and quantities are for our case. You can of course do it in your own way. Please share with us your further improvements. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give us thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.